Hello, food lovers! Welcome to another exciting culinary journey. Today we're diving into the vibrant and aromatic world of Persian cuisine with a recipe that's sure to tantalize your taste buds, Kabab Bakhtiari. This dish is a staple in Persian households and is known for its rich flavors and delightful textures. Kabab Bakhtiari is a true celebration of flavors, featuring juicy chunks of marinated chicken and beef threaded onto skewers and grilled to perfection. The marinade, a blend of yogurt, saffron and a mix of spices, infuses the meat with a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. Trust me, the aroma alone will have your neighbors peeking over the fence, curious and envious of the delicious feast you're preparing. But we're not stopping there. Persian cuisine is all about the symphony of flavors and textures, and we're going to elevate our kebabs with some incredible accompaniments. We'll also whip up two incredible sauces to complement our kebabs. A refreshing yogurt mint sauce that's tangy and herbaceous, perfect for adding a cool contrast to the smoky meat, and a rich, decadent sumac-infused butter sauce that'll have you licking your plate clean. Sumac, with its tangy and slightly citrusy flavor, adds a unique twist to the buttery richness. Get ready for a culinary adventure that's as fun to make as it is to devour. Cooking together with friends and family makes the experience even more enjoyable. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll up our sleeves and dive into this Persian feast. Let's gather our ingredients from the freshest meats to the most aromatic spices and get this Persian party started. With every step, we'll bring a piece of Persian culture and tradition into our kitchen. Before we embark on our culinary journey, let's make sure we have all the necessary ingredients at hand. A well-prepared kitchen is the first step to a successful cooking experience. For this Persian feast, you'll need a variety of fresh and flavorful ingredients. Each component plays a crucial role in creating the authentic taste of Persian cuisine. For the Kabab Bakhtiari, start with the protein. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into cubes. The chicken should be fresh and tender to absorb the marinade well. Boneless beef sirloin cut into cubes. Make sure the beef is of high quality for the best texture and flavor. Garlic cloves minced will add a robust aroma and depth to the dish. Plain yogurt, which will act as a tenderizer and add creaminess to the marinade. Olive oil for richness and to help the marinade coat the meat evenly. Lemon juice to add a zesty brightness and help tenderize the meat. Saffron, a pinch, optional, but adds a beautiful aroma. This luxurious spice will elevate the dish with its unique flavor and vibrant color. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These basic seasonings are essential to enhance all the other flavors. For the yogurt mint sauce, which will complement the Kabab Bakhtiari perfectly. Plain yogurt as the base of the sauce, providing a cool and creamy contrast to the grilled meat. Fresh mint leaves chopped to add a refreshing herbal note. Garlic clove minced for a bit of pungency. Lemon juice to add a tangy brightness. Salt and pepper to taste to balance the flavors of the sauce. For the sumac-infused butter sauce, which will add a rich and tangy finish to the dish. Unsalted butter melted to create a smooth and rich base. Sumac ground for its tart and lemony flavor. Salt and pepper to taste to enhance the overall flavor of the sauce. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, we can move forward with confidence. Preparation is key to a smooth cooking process. Let's move on to the heart of the recipe, marinating our chicken and beef to infuse them with incredible flavor. This step is crucial as it allows the meat to absorb all the wonderful spices and seasonings, ensuring a delicious and aromatic final dish. Marinating is a crucial step in creating flavorful and tender kebabs. It's where the magic truly happens. In a large bowl, combine the grated onion, minced garlic, yogurt, olive oil, lemon juice, saffron if using, salt and pepper. Now, add the cubed chicken and beef to the marinade. Make sure each piece is well coated. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. This will allow the flavors to penetrate the meat, resulting in juicy and succulent kebabs. While our chicken and beef are happily marinating, let's prepare our grill. If you're using a charcoal grill, heat the charcoal until it's covered in white ash. If you're using a gas grill, preheat it to medium-high heat. Remember, grilling is all about achieving that perfect char while ensuring the meat is cooked through. So keep a close eye on the grill and adjust the heat as needed. Section 5. Skewering for success. Now, the fun part. Thread the marinated chicken and beef onto skewers, alternating between the two. Make sure not to overcrowd the skewers, as this will prevent even cooking. For a touch of visual appeal and added flavour, you can also thread some sliced onions, bell peppers or cherry tomatoes onto the skewers. Section 6. Grilling like a pro. Carefully place the skewers on the preheated grill. Cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally, until the meat is cooked through and nicely charred on the outside. To ensure the kebabs are cooked to your liking, use a meat thermometer to check for doneness. Chicken should be cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius, while beef can be cooked to your preference from medium rare to well done. Section 7. Sauces to make you swoon. While the kebabs are grilling, let's whip up our two delicious sauces. First, the yogurt mint sauce. In a bowl, combine the yogurt, chopped mint leaves, diced cucumber, minced garlic and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This refreshing sauce cuts through the richness of the kebabs beautifully. Next, the sumac-infused butter sauce. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over low heat. Add the ground sumac and stir until fragrant. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This vibrant sauce adds a tangy and slightly tart flavour to the kebabs. Section 8. Serving up a feast. Today we are diving into the art of creating a Persian culinary masterpiece that will leave your guests in awe. Once the kebabs are cooked to perfection, remove them from the grill and let them rest for a few minutes. This resting period is crucial as it allows the meat to relax and the flavours to meld together beautifully. This will allow the juices to redistribute, resulting in more tender and flavourful meat. The key to a great kebab is not just in the grilling, but also in the resting. Serve the kebabs on a platter with a generous sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as parsley, cilantro or mint. These herbs not only add a burst of colour, but also enhance the overall flavour profile of the dish. Alongside a bed of fluffy saffron rice, grilled vegetables and warm bread. The saffron rice, with its aromatic and slightly sweet flavour, pairs perfectly with the savoury kebabs. Don't forget to offer both the yogurt mint sauce, which adds a refreshing tang, and the sumac-infused butter sauce for dipping and drizzling. The sumac adds a unique citrusy note that complements the richness of the meat. There you have it, a delicious and satisfying Persian feast that's sure to impress your family and friends. The combination of flavours and textures will transport you straight to the heart of Persia. So gather your loved ones, fire up the grill and enjoy the exotic flavours of Kabab Bakhtiari. Whether it's a special occasion or a casual get-together, this feast will make any meal memorable.